3D ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, जिस तरीके से हम लोगों ने 2D ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखा था, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मीन्स द डिस्प्लेसमेंट और रिपोजिशनिंग ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज नोन एज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। अब हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे 3D ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में, तो यहाँ पर जो थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट है z, उस एक्सिस को भी लेकर हम यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट्स के 3D ऑब्जेक्ट्स को डिफरेंट टाइप के ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में यूज़ करेंगे। In computer graphics, transformation is a process of modifying and repositioning the existing object in the given graphics is known as transformation. 3D transformation takes place in a 3D plane. 3D transformations are important and a bit more complex than 2D transformation because third axis included in 3D transformation. Transformations are useful in changing the position, size, orientation, shape, etc. of the objects. There are different types of transformations: translation, rotation, scaling, and reflection. These are also discussed in 2D transformation. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं हम लोग 3D translation. Translation means what? The displacement of an object from one position to another position is known as translation. 3D translation is a process of moving an object from one position to another in a 3D plane. Consider a point object O has to be moved from one position to another in a 3D plane. Let initially coordinate of the object O is O old, O y old, z old. These are the old parameters of object O. The new coordinates of the object O after translation: x new, y new, and z new. The translation vector or shift vector tx, ty, tz. Given a translation vector tx, ty, tz. Tx defines the distance the old coordinate has to be moved. Ty defines the distance the old y old coordinates to be moved, and tz defines the distance the z old coordinate has to be moved. Now in 3D translation, x new, y new, z new, and these are the x old, y old, and z old coordinate systems. Now translate O to O dash. Now 3D translation matrix, how to calculate? This translation is achieved by adding and translating translation coordinates to the old coordinates of the object as x new equal to x old plus tx, y new equal to y old plus ty, and z new equal to z old plus tz. Now we get these three new coordinates known as O dash given in the given homogeneous 3D translation matrix. Here x new, y new, z new, one is known as homogeneous coordinate system, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 tx, ty, tz into x old, y old, z old 1. This is known as 3D translation matrix. Now 3D rotation. 3D rotation is the process of rotating an object with respect to an angle in a 3-dimensional plane. Consider a point object O has to be rotated from one angle to another in 3D plane. Let the initial coordinate of the object O is old, y old, and z old. Initial angle of the object O with respect to the origin phi. Rotation angle theta. The new coordinate of the object O after the rotation x new, y new, and z new. In 3 dimensions, there are three possible types of the rotation: x-axis rotation, y-axis rotation, and z-axis rotation. Now, first, the root is 3D rotation in for x-axis rotation. This rotation is achieved by using the following rotational equation: x new equal to x old, the same x old coordinate. Y new is known as y old x cos theta minus z old x sin theta, and z new equal to y old x sin theta plus z old x cos थीटा। जब भी हम x एक्सिस की बात करेंगे तो x को हमें वही कोऑर्डिनेट लेना पड़ेगा। जब हम y एक्सिस में कहेंगे तो y न्यू इक्वल टू y ओल्ड होगा, और z एक्सिस की बात करेंगे तो z न्यू इक्वल टू z ओल्ड होगा। इस तरीके से हम उसका कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम डिजाइन करेंगे। तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास द गिवन x एक्सिस रोटेशन मैट्रिक्स x न्यू y न्यू z न्यू 1 इक्वल 1 0 0 0, 0 cos theta minus sin theta 0, 0 sin theta cos theta 0, 0 0 0 1 into x old, y old, z old and 1. This is known as 3D rotation about x-axis. Now 3D rotation about y-axis. This rotation is achieved by using the following rotation equation: x new equal to x old into sin theta plus z old cos theta, y new equal to y old and z new equal to y old into cos theta minus x old sin theta. Now the matrix comes x new y new z new equal to cos theta 0, sin theta 0, 0 1 0 0 minus sin theta 0, cos theta 0 0 0 0 0 x old y old z old 1. जैसे हमने y न्यू इक्वल टू y ओल्ड लिया, वैसे यहाँ पर इस पर्टिकुलर कॉलम में हमारा कोई भी y कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं होगा, जो कि ओल्ड कोऑर्डिनेट है वही हमारा न्यू कोऑर्डिनेट होगा. नाउ रोटेशन अबाउट z एक्सिस. This rotation is achieved by using the following rotation equation: x new equal to x old, x cos theta minus y old x sin theta, y new equal to x old, x sin theta plus y old x cos theta, or z new equal to z old coordinate system. Now the given matrix is x new, y new, z new 1 equal cos theta minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 into x old y old z old 1. Now in this z new equal to z old means in this particular column there is old value of the z coordinate system. Now scaling. Scaling means what? Resizing of the object is known as scaling. Scaling is the process of modifying or altering the size of an object is known as 3D scaling. Scaling may be used to increase or decrease the size of the object. Scaling a subject the coordinate points to the original object to change. The scaling factor determines whether the object size is to be increased or reduced. If a scaling factor greater than 1, then the object size is increased. If the scaling factor less than 1, then the object size is reduced. Now 3D scaling. Consider a point. Object O has to be scaled in a 3D plane. Initially coordinates of the object O equal x old, y old, z old. Scaling factors in x direction sx, y direction sy, z direction sz. Now the new coordinates of the object O after scaling x new, y new, z new. Then therefore the matrix form is x new, y new, z new 1 equal sx in diagonal elements are sx, sy, sz 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 xz 0 0 0 0 1 into x old, y old, z old. This is known as 3D scaling matrix. Now reflection. A mirror image of an object is known as reflection. The reflection is a kind of rotation where the angle of rotation is 180 degree. The reflected object is always formed on the other side of the mirror. The size of the reflected object is same as the size of the original object. Consider a point. Object O has to be reflected in 3D plane. Let initial coordinate of the object O equal x old, y old, z old. Now the new coordinate of the reflected object O after reflection x new, y new, z new. Now 3D reflection. There are three possible types of reflection: reflection relative to xy plane, reflection relative to yz plane, and reflection relative to xz plane. These are the three different types of the reflections. Now first reflection relative to the xy plane. xy plane की बात करते हैं तो this reflection is achieved by using the following reflection equation: x new equal to x old, y new equal to y old, but z new equal to minus z old. It means when xy plane we are using xy plane, so z nu equal to minus z. When yz plane, so x nu equal to minus x old, and then if xz plane, so y nu equal to minus y old values. Now in the matrix form, x nu, y nu, z nu equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1. Thus last row is called as homogeneous row into x old, y old, z old. This is known as 3D reflection matrix about xy plane. Now reflection relative to the yz plane, as per the given previous equation, x nu equal to minus x old, y nu equal to y old, and z nu equal to z old. Now the given matrix, reflection matrix is x nu, y nu, z nu. So x value is minus 1 0 0 0, second row 0 1 0 0, third row 0 0 1 0, and fourth row 0 0 0 1 into x old, y old, z old 1. This is known as 3D reflection matrix about yz plane. Now reflection relative to the xz plane, as the previous equation, x nu equal to x old, y nu equal to minus y old, because xz plane, and z nu equal to z old. Therefore the matrix form is x nu, y nu, z nu 1 equal 1 minus 1. In the diagonal elements are 1 minus 1 1 1. So 1 0 0 0, the y coordinate is minus, here 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 into x old, y old, z old. This is known as the reflection about xz plane. Now the next concept, viewing parameter. Viewing parameter, the initial viewing parameters are chosen so as to be able to give an unrestricted view of the scene. In practice, however, some simplification are most often used as default viewing parameter. The projection plane shown in this figure has the view plane defined by a point on the plane VRP. This is the point VRP, and the view plane normal is VPR, though known as VPN is known as normal plane, and VRP is called as plane, view plane. Now the description is, the VPN gives the orientation of the view plane and is often parallel to the view direction. The VP means view plane normal is used to define a left-handed coordinate system, screen coordinate system कहलाता है. The view upper plane vector defines a direction which is not parallel to view plane normal and is taken to be the viewer concept of up. View up need not be perpendicular to view plane normal. The projection of view up on the view plane defines the axis on the screen coordinate system. The u axis of the screen coordinate system is chosen to be perpendicular to both, orthogonal to v and view plane normal. These vectors are chosen so as the form a left-handed v, u, VPN 3D coordinate systems. The VRP is the origin of the 2D screen coordinate system. However, VRP is not the origin of the left-handed 3D coordinate system. We wish to define its origin is the location of the COP. The coordinates of the COP are defined relative to the VRP using world coordinate. Thank you. Thank you very much.